In this video, I will show you the easiest way how to create a half-face text portrait effect using Canva. So first, drag your image that you want to use. For example, this one. Just drag it on the right place for you. And right now, go to Element and click on Shapes. And you should use it to hide the half side of the image and change the color to black. So when you hide the half part, go to text and right now click add text and write your text. Change the font if you want and put it here on this place, and you have to duplicate it and put it here and add the second text. And put it on the right place for you, maybe here, and you have right now again to duplicate this text and write your text and put it on the right place and make it bigger. And after doing this step, you have to go again to Element, click on Shapes and hide the other side of this image like this, but change right now the color to white like this, and make sure that is this on the right place for you. And after doing this, click on Share, click on Download and download this image as a PNG. Click Download and right now delete and drag the image that we made, and right now go to Apps. Where is Apps? And search for blend image and click on this one. Right now click on this picture that we made and click use selected image top layer, and go right now click on this girl, click use selected image bottom layer, and right now make sure that on blending mode it's screen mode and click add to design. And right now just drag the image, and congratulations, you make your image easy and quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another tutorial.